Welcome back to Mocha Eats TV. I'm bringing you a quick video on Sazon yellow rice. So I'm going to use 1 cup of rice, a half teaspoon of vegetable bouillon, and a Sazon Goya seasoning pack. Let me go ahead and get it started with a cup of water. Here's my cup of water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Tablespoon of butter. To the water, I'm going to add the bouillon and stir. Sazon pack, rice, and stir. Now, this is minute rice, so you're only going to stir this. Once it boils, put a lid on it and put the top on, just like it is now. Okay, this completes my rice. Doesn't that look fabulous, family? So this will be served with some black beans. This completes the video. So if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.